Yo, what's going on, fishing friends? It's your boy Dan the Fish Man, back at you again with another fishing video. You already know, guys, I'm sitting on my Old Town Autopilot 120 with the Minn Kota Spot Lock technology, and it actually absolutely changed the game for me today, guys. I went fishing under this bridge. I had a bad tide, so I was like, let me go see if I can find some sheep's head. Maybe there'll be some fish moving around this bridge, guys, and I absolutely smoked it. My PB day on Pompano, not only on the amount, but on the lengths too. I mean, it was one after another, guys. Sit back, relax, enjoy these tips, tricks, and techniques on how I catch pompano. And until next time, guys, tight lines. Let's do it. All right, guys, I'm gonna jig a little bit here. Got the tide moving out. I'll be able to catch a pomp. Let's see what we can do. Goofy jig. Pink and green. I've caught some pomps here. I've caught some jacks here. I've caught some big drum here. Let's see what we can do. Oh man, something whacked it. Ooh, big old pump. Big old pump. Big old pompano. Yes. Big old pomp. Yes, that's what we're after. Come on, stay button, stay button, stay button, stay button. Stay button. Yes, yeah, pompano. Fat boy. Fatty. Fatty, fatty, fatty. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, he's blued up. That's a stud. That's my PB pompano right there, guys. Let's go. Let's go, baby, yes. Man, what a great day. Beautiful weather, beautiful scenery. Got birds flying, sun's up, cool air, cool water. My goodness. Gotta love it, man. Oh, this is a heavy fish. Ooh, lady fish. Man, I thought that was a pomp. I was like, come on, man. Come on, man. Oh my gosh, that was a big fish. Dude, I just got whacked. Oh my gosh. Stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down, stay down. Oh, I think this is a pomp. Yep, pompano, I'm pretty sure. Oh, stay down. Oh my goodness. What do we got here, guys? Woo! Got him. Yes, sir. Oh, buddy. Fatty. Look at him greened up, man. Beautiful. If this isn't a pompano, I don't know what is. Oh, man. It's a rock. No, that's funny. I thought it was the heaviest pompano ever. GoPro, stop recording. This is a pomp for sure. Man. Pompano. Man, they fight so hard. Another one. We might have to measure this one, but I'm sure he's 11. Sweet. Oh man, they are running. Let's measure this guy up. They got to be 11 to the fork. Where are we here? Come on. Come on, dude. Oh yeah. There's 11. There's 12. That's a keeper. Keeper pump. Yee. Another one. Man, these things fight awesome. That's a keeper. Wow. My best pompano day ever, guys, and I literally almost didn't come out here. I almost didn't put my kayak in the water. Just opens my eyes, man. You never know until you go. Fantastic. Let's get a measurement on this guy. Ugh. Let's see here. Come on, hold still, buddy. Yep. There's 11. And there's the fork. Sheep. Pump. Another pump. Keepy pompy. Gosh, man, what a day. I think that's 4. Ugh. I gotta check. 1, 2, 3. Push the sheeper down there. Yep, that's number 4. Come on, buddy. Dang it. Man, I was just about to give up too. I was just about to give up too. either a pomp or a jack swimming in the circle. Oh, that's a pompano. Oh, that's a pompano. Yes, sir. Another fatty. Another fatty, come on. Gosh, they're so fast. Oh, yes. Another fatty, yes. I almost gave up too, man. That might be bigger than the first one. Holy crap, man. Awesome. It's number 5. Fantastic. That is a fatty. Look at that guy. All right, guys, so check it out. Good thing I looked, because I thought I could keep 8. I can only keep 6. This is the Fish Rules app, so I think this is number 5, so I can get one more after that. So I'm gonna count them up now, and then we'll go from there. So let's go. Thank you, Fish Rules. All right, guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I can get one more. Plus I got a sheep's head. They're all over 11. Can't beat that, man. Beautiful. Get these bad boys iced up. Oh, lady, you surprised me. Perfect. And that's how you deal with them. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. All right, fishing friends, that's all she wrote for me. What a great day on the water, epic day. Really pushed hard for that 6 pompano, but it was not happening, man. I spent another hour fishing. I got like one more hit and one lady fish, and that was it. So calling it a day. Can't be too upset with that. Get up, get out, and go fishing, man. I wasn't planning on fishing today, and I got out there anyway. And even when I got out here, I was like, I don't know, it might not be looking so good, and I still hit it hard. So just get up, live your best life, and hit that subscribe button, you have it. And until next time, guys, tight lines.